Today we're reviewing the Russian idiom «У меня руки не доходят». Literally, this phrase translates to «my hands don't reach», but what does it really mean in everyday conversation? «У меня руки не доходят» is used to express that someone hasn't had the time, energy, or opportunity to do something. It's like saying, I haven't gotten around to it, or I haven't had the chance. It's important to note that this phrase is typically followed by the perfective verb infinitive or the preposition до. For example, у меня руки не доходят убрать в комнате. I haven't gotten around to cleaning my room. У меня руки не доходят до этого проекта. I haven't gotten around to this project. У меня руки не доходят приготовить сегодня ужин. I can't get around to making dinner tonight. That's all for today. Now, when you feel like you just can't seem to get around to doing something, no matter how hard you try, you know a Russian idiom that perfectly captures that feeling. У меня руки не доходят.